In any event, it is claimed in the petition, and IEBC in its response conceded, that 2 days to the election date, IEBC announced that it was going to be unable to electronically transmit results from 11,000 polling centers because they were off the range of 3G and 4G network. Consequently, its officers would have to move to spots where they could get network to be able to transmit. Come the election date on the 8th of August 2017, IEBC claimed it was unable to transmit results from those stations. According to submissions by Council for IEBC, such inhibition set in place the use of a complementary system of transmission of results envisaged under Section 44A of the Elections Act, which is in essence the physical delivery of Forms 34A to the CTC, and hence the delay in the declaration of the results from those polling stations. With tremendous respect, we cannot accept IEBC's said explanation. Failure to access or catch 3G and or 4G network, in our humble view, is not a failure of technology. Surely, IEBC's ICT officials must have known that there are some areas where network is weak or totally lacking and should have made provision for alternative transmission. It cannot have dawned on IEBC's ICT officials 2 days to the elections that it could not access network in some areas. In stating so, we note that under Regulations 21, 22, and 23 of the Elections Technology Regulations 2017, IEBC was required to engage a consortium of telecommunication network service providers and publish the network coverage at least 45 days prior to the elections. In that regard, we take judicial notice of the fact that in one of its press briefings preceding the elections, IEBC assured the country that it had carefully considered every conceivable eventuality regarding the issue of the electronic transmission of the presidential election results, and categorically stated that technology was not going to fail them. IEBC indeed affirmed that it had engaged 3 internet service providers to deal with any network challenges. We cannot therefore accept IEBC's explanation of alleged failure of technology in the transmission of the presidential election results. The so-called failure of the transmission was, in our view, a clear violation of the law. In any case, in its